It's just rained, and the first lilies and hollyhocks of the season are out. The beautiful blooms. Isn't this beautiful? Gosh. And if you can see the rain on the petals. Let me see if I can get close. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So fresh. But you can hear the birds and kind of look off out from the garden into the, here's my hydrangea garden I just put in the year before last, and the blooms are finally out. See if we can get a better look at those. They're pretty. And it's a gazebo, another part of the garden from a different angle. I love it when it's just rained. It's just beautiful. So fresh. Good day. A good day.